You guys back? I'm gonna take this turn a little bit. We're gonna open her up down here. Not right here. That's what happens when you go crazy. How fast was I going? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. You can't tell me how fast I was going, because even I don't know. Look at that, she sounds good. No more valve tap. Yeah, that's what it's all about. The V4 Flying Sabre. She does handle way better than my big Sabre. That's just what it's about. Never know what's behind the corn. That's what we say in Lancaster. Never know what's lying around the corn. What's around the next corn? Yeah. I know there's a train. Usually not a train here, but it's a train track. Sometimes the cops sit in there, so I don't see them. Wide open in fourth gear. Alright, we held that steady. I'm not going to do much more than that on this road, because you got to stop up here. Unless you want a death-defying stunt, you just hope and pray. She's fast. This Sabre's fast. I wouldn't tell anybody that until they're ready. Second gear, third gear. This is the same engine in the Interceptor. Interceptor was set up with a chain drive and a sport bike motif, but it was the same V4 power plant. If I take this home, I probably need to do an oil change on her. Throw in some new rear diff fluid and send her down the road. So that's what we got, guys. She is a fun little bike. She is sharp. She's refined when you want her to be. She's a good girl. That's it for today. If you're looking for an upright, decent, very fun bike that you can get for less than $2 grand, grab an old Sabre. It's a cross between a sport bike and a standard, and you'll have a blast. So watch some other videos on the 83 Sabre and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.